Welcome to Ask and Learn.
For this problem, our question is how many bit strings of length n, where n is a positive integer, begin and end with ones? So first of all, we can just think about the base case, where n equals 1. Well, if n equals 1, then there's only one possible string, which begins and ends with a 1, so there's one possibility. Then, if we're considering with more than one, we need to think about, okay, well, we have a certain number of sort of spots that we can fill. We're going to have n spots. And based on the requirement of the problem, we fill in the first spot and the last spot with ones, which means that everything in the center, everything between those two ones, is unspecified. So if we look at just the open slots, you can see that, well, we've filled in 2. So that means that we'll have n minus 2 open slots. We know that the number of possible bit strings when we have n digits would be 2 to the power of n. So here, the number of possible bit strings that go in between those ones on either end would be 2 to the power of n minus 2. So we have the two cases. The number is going to equal 1 if n equals 1. And it's going to be 2 to the power of n minus 2 if n is greater than 1.